Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is MUSTAQIM FAUZI. My metric is DT12025. And my partner.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, my name is Muhammad Izzat bin Hashim. My number metric is DT12022. We from class Therapeutics 2A. Okay, for this project, we make the circuit for laser security alarm system. We use some of component which is transistor BC548, LDR, LED, and 100 resistor K, and 100K resistor. Okay, and then we use buzzer for the sound, and battery 9V for the power supply, and laser. Laser used for LDR, it can detect, and buzzer will take it out sound. Laser security alarm is used for safety. Okay, now we show the breadboard project. So this, okay, we put the 9V battery at power supply. Okay, so we can see if object through the laser, it produce the sound, and LDR is lit up. So you can see, and LED, and LED is lit up. Okay. So you can see LED is lit up. Okay, so for breadboard project, we successful.
So now we try to our model. We use the house for our model. Okay. Wait. At the model, we use the straight board. Okay. We can see okay. We can see when the object through the laser, LED will lit up, and buzzer produce the sound. Okay. Okay, done.
Okay, next we explain about commercial potential. Okay, so this product is 12 ringgits and 27 cents, and for the buyers, business company, usually house, and grocery store. Okay, and last one for the conclusion. Okay, laser security system are a high this technology that used to be a part home security only available to the wealthy. It is a manually switch, depend sensor, and a basic alarm unit. Laser security system, a person move in front of the motion sensors. That person body hit triggers the system alarm. That's all for me.
For me and my partner. Okay, thank you.